Workshop was not only informative but also a lot of fun. We left feeling inspired and eager to continue exploring the world of terrarium gardening. We highly recommend to anyone interested in learning a new skill or simply looking for a creative and relaxing way to spend an afternoon, visit them. A very therapeutic activity. The materials provided are sufficient and give space for creativity to flow. The instructor explains well and gave plenty of time to do each step. Trainer was really patient and informative on teaching us as well as assisting us. It was a wonderful and spiritual experience. Selections were great. Managed to make a Harry Potter vibe terrarium. Love it a lot. Would recommend. Good experience. The instructor, a lady named Mel, is very patient and guided us. 3 packs, well. We took the open succulent terrarium. We get to use colored sand or stone/pebbles to layer our terrarium. I choose stones/petals while my friend choose colored sand, another friend mixture. Overall we like it a lot, the result was nice. Love the relaxed koala figurine. Smile, fun experience. Quite hands-on. Have really cute figurines. Guide was a little soft-spoken though. Wish they had more varieties for succulents and stones. Our group of 5 thoroughly enjoyed this experience. We got the whole space to ourselves and the staff were flexible and helpful. It was manageable for beginners and we had lots of fun. Instructor was really friendly, was able to answer any of our questions of the terrarium's care etc. There was no rush in the session, really on your own pace, really peaceful and calming I'd say. As for the terrarium itself, the small figurine choices are abundant and unique. Plants, leaves, had 2 choices but it's enough. Thank you for the wonderful and educational session. We booked the closed terrarium session on a Wednesday as an early Valentine's Day celebration. We were the only participant on that day and all materials have been prepared for us. We first chose an ornament, and then start on the decorative layers before putting in soil, moss and other foliage plants. The lady was helpful when we faced any issues. Overall, it was a good bonding time with my partner to create something together. They have ready-made terrariums on display too. Very nice environment, and also very attentive to us. Very cute terrarium. Love the experiences. The decoration provided also very sufficient. We did 2 open succulent terrarium workshop which included a big glass jar of 2x succulent and 1x cactus. Various pebble design and a figurine. The team were nice, knowledgeable and helpful. But be careful with the cactus with mini red thorn, it got stuck to skin and hard to remove. Ultimately, activity was really fulfilling and love to go back again. My friend and I, we had so much fun. So happy with our pretty terrariums we've got as a memory. Very friendly staff and many options to choose from. We stayed for longer than 1 hour. Highly recommend this workshop. It was a pleasant experience building a terrarium with my daughter. Learned interesting tips on the plants. Really loved my finished product, heart emoji, heart emoji. The whole activities were fun. Staff were friendly with clear instructions given. Try booked on weekdays as weekend will be flooded with customers. I went on a weekday. The place is cozy and nice. Trainer is very friendly and she shared many good tips to take care of the plant. Will definitely go again. Highly recommended. I thought it's a small glass container but it's actually quite big. Get to choose your figurine, plants and pebbles color. It's a fun and therapeutic activity. Fun hands-on experience for us as we design and potted our own terrarium. A wide variety of figurine and plant to choose from. Worth a visit if you are interested to pot your own personal terrarium. Really cool and awesome experience to build your own terrarium. Instructions are clear and instructors are patient to guide us through. Recommend as a cool date idea.